Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can get some Nightstar Sand inside of Palworld 1.0. In the area where it spawns, it looks like these little random glowing spots of light on the ground, mostly on the beach, and it's found over here on this kind of reddish purple island in the bottom left half of the map. Sort of over here by the floating islands. You can find it all along the beach over here, and it is used as a crafting material in a lot of the level 60 plus range crafting materials and different patterns and blueprints. And it's really all you have to do is wait till it gets to be nighttime, and you'll start to notice different splotches on the beach begin to light up as the Nightstar Sand begins to glow when the sun goes down. It starts to glow a little bit before it's fully nighttime on the little like clock on your HUD in the lower left hand corner, and you can just run around on a mount of your choice, just spamming the pickup button to grab a whole bunch. And there's really not much else to it. It's a really funny resource to find, but you'll find a lot of it just hanging out right here, literally on the beach, right next to the teleport points, just along this kind of pinkish sand area all along the shore. And that's it. That's all you gotta do to find the Nightstar Sand inside of Palworld. It's a good idea to do like a little patrol up and down the beach for it to respawn, because the night's not, you know, infinite. And then, yeah, I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.